Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should start by confirming your Google account has YouTube Premium and is signed in on your phone and TV. Once done, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network so the TV appears for casting or device linking. Update the YouTube app on both devices to avoid version mismatches. Now open the YouTube app on the TV and the mobile app. You will begin pairing or casting immediately, so keep both screens unlocked and the apps open. On your mobile, tap the cast icon in the YouTube app and choose your TV. This streams premium playback and background play to the TV. If casting isn't available, open the YouTube app on the TV and go to Settings, then link with TV code. On mobile, choose Use TV code and enter the code shown. Make sure you select or confirm your premium Google account when asked so benefits like ad-free and downloads apply to playback on the TV. Play a few videos on the TV to verify ad-free playback and background audio are working. This confirms premium is tied to the device. If something fails, sign out of YouTube on both devices, restart the apps and the TV, and reconnect Wi-Fi. This clears common pairing glitches. Make sure the active account on the TV matches your premium membership by checking YouTube settings under Purchases and Memberships. If needed, relink via TV code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.